Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a fascinating tutorial on creating AI-generated artwork using the Stable Diffusion. This powerful AI model allows us to generate stunning and creative images based on various prompts. Whether it's landscapes, 3D models, drawings, or architectural designs, the Stable Diffusion pipeline can turn our imagination into reality. Now let's get started. First, log into Google Colab and open New Notebook. And make sure you are connected into GPU that Google Colab provided. Okay, before we dive into the magic of AI-generated art, let's first make sure we have all the necessary libraries installed. We need to install the Diffuser's library along with a few others. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Now that we have everything set up, it's time to import the required libraries and set up the Stable Diffusion pipeline with CUDA support for enhanced performance. Now, let's begin with something awe-inspiring: landscapes. We'll start by defining our prompts, such as a serene lakeside landscape with autumn colors, and a futuristic cityscape with neon-lit skyscrapers. Now that our prompts are ready, let's unleash the Stable Diffusion pipeline. We'll use it to generate the breathtaking landscape artwork. Next up, we'll venture into the world of 3D models. Imagine highly detailed ancient temples and enchanting fantasy realms with magical castles. To make things interesting, we'll also include negative prompts to steer the AI away from certain elements. Now, let's harness the power of the Stable Diffusion pipeline to bring these 3D models to life. Next up, let's generate drawing images or adorable sticker designs. Let's explore cute pandas with colorful balloons and whimsical vector illustrations. We'll use negative prompts again to avoid certain design aspects. The Stable Diffusion pipeline is ready to impress us once more. Let's create those delightful sticker designs. Let's focus on architectural designs. We'll imagine luxurious beachfront villas and Scandinavian-inspired homes, and, of course, we'll provide negative prompts to guide the AI's creative process. The magic of AI will transform these architectural visions into stunning masterpieces. Congratulations! You've just experienced the wonder of AI-generated artwork using the Stable Diffusion pipeline. It's truly amazing how AI can turn prompts into such creative and realistic images. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to explore the vast possibilities of AI in the world of art and design. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI and technology content. Until next time, happy creating!